What's up, guys? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World, and I hope your weekend is still going a-okay. Now we got an awesome watch face to check out. Now this guy always gets down. He goes by the name of GPhoenix. GPhoenix does not play. He brings to the table some of the most unique watch faces that you ever want to see in the Gear Manager store, and this one here is totally off the charts. I'm loving the look of this one. Now this is going to be a giveaway. We got a couple in the lineup that we want you to check out. This is going to be watch face number 1. The name of it is called -B02. Again, the design is beautiful. It's unique. It's definitely different. In the AOD mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look. It's going to be dimmed down quite a bit, but you'll still be able to see your time at a glance with no problem. Now, when the watch face is on, I like these 3 dials here. Really complements the analog watch face to the side. And you also got your step status info. Going to get your battery info down at the bottom, your date, the day of the week. You're going to also be able to go into your text messages, make a phone call. You also got settings up at the top, and it is interactive, people. So if I tap on the first dial, I can pull up my step status info. If I tap right here, dead center, in that dial, it's going to allow me to pull up, of course, calories burned, my steps, force climb, all my step status info, and my battery info down at the bottom. I can also go into now, if you need to go into, of course, your calendar, set an event, you can. Same thing for your text messages. And also, I mean, you got so many shortcuts to go into. I just want to give you an idea of what you're going to be in for once you download this watch face. It's going to be nice, people. It's going to be nice. And of course, right here, you can make a phone call. Now, the highlight of the watch face is being able to customize the color theme with a single tap. You got many different colors to choose from, depending on what color you want to go for. Just cycle through the many colors. And once you get to the one you like, this is my favorite, then just let it stay. All right, you all, that's going to be it for watch face number 1. Let's check out watch face number 2. Now, number 2 is nice. Don't go nowhere, people. I know, it looks different, it looks basic, but I'm telling you, you're going to like this one. Now, remember, this is also a giveaway as well. Now, the name of the watch face is called Tech Disc Animated. I like it. I like a unique watch face. If this watch face did nothing else, I would still play this one because everybody needs a daytime watch face, right? Now in the AOD mode, you are going to get pretty much a simple digital time, which isn't a bad look at all. But once the watch face is on, again, the design is nice. You're going to get your digital time, which looks awesome, animated seconds, PM stamp, and the day of the week. Down at the bottom, you will get the name of the watch face. But check this out, right? If I tap dead center, I can tap into the animation of the watch face, which I thought was awesome, right? Now, if I tap here, I can bring up some information, battery life. If I tap here, I can bring up more information, floors climbed, miles walked or ran, calories burned. If I tap right here, there go my animated heart rate. This is nice, people. And then you got your steps right there with the little man bobbing his head, walking. I love it, people. I love it. I thought the developer definitely got down on this one. Again, at the end of the day, people, it's all up to you. But check this out. We're not finished yet, though, right? So I'm going to tap right here, and I can customize the color theme. I also like the tech theme of this watch face. As you can see in the background, it looks awesome. But yeah, the developer definitely did an awesome job on this watch face. At the end of the day, people, what do you think? I thought it was a download, a definite download for the archives. Again, you have an opportunity to win this watch face. Just simply comment in the comment section down below. All right, with that being said, that's going to be it for the video. Continue to enjoy your weekend. Enjoy family and friends, of course. Eat well. Hit the like button on the way out, though, right? And subscribe to the channel so you can be notified when I drop more videos. Cool? With that being said, I'm going to see you all at the next video. Enjoy your day and or night. And I'll see you all again at the next one. Take care.